Vegas isn't just about casinos and shows anymore. When Dead & Company announced their residency at the Revolutionary Sphere, we knew this was going to be a weekend to remember. Join us as we explore the best of Vegas before experiencing one of the most mind-blowing concert venues ever created. Our first stop is the Bellagio Conservatory. In true Vegas fashion, even the gardens here are spectacular. Each season, they transform this space into something magical using thousands of flowers and artistic installations. This installation from spring of 2025 is called The Birds and the Bees. When leaving the conservatory, make sure you stop by the lobby and check out the Chihuly art blossoms on the ceiling. Our next stop was Princess Diana and the Royals, the exhibition. This is located at the shops at the Crystals. This exhibition tells the story of Princess Diana's life from childhood to her death and the legacy that she left behind. If you're into the royal family, this is an amazing collection of you. Personally, as a person who isn't really into the royal family, I still found this exhibition very interesting and informative. No Dead & Company experience would be complete without visiting the merch store. The Dead Forever store was packed with fans hunting for the perfect memento of this residency. From classic dancing bears to spear-specific designs, the creativity and artistry that's always been a part of the Dead community was on full display. Area 15 is our next stop. The Immersive Entertainment District is home to a number of attractions. We're here to visit Omega Mart. This Meow Wolf installation presents as a supermarket on the outside, but quickly dissolves into a psychedelic playground of interactive art. After our time at Omega Mart, we stopped by the bar here in the lobby, in the courtyard outside, in the center of Area 51. It was pretty cool. It was very unique. A lot to look at. It's kind of wild because we're here in the middle of the day, and this place could easily be 3 o'clock in the morning and you wouldn't know the difference. But overall, good time. Nice place to check out. Really enjoyed it, and a lot to look at. And finally, we're at the venue we came for, the Sphere. Photos don't do this place justice. It is absolutely bananas inside here. As you can see from this, it feels a lot like the way Area 15 felt, but it's different, and it's really unique. So anyway, it's showtime. Here we are. The band is playing, and they're opening the screen. This is the most immersive screen I've ever seen. It's absolutely unbelievable how immersive this is. Imagine the biggest IMAX screen you've ever seen, and this makes it look like like an old 13-inch TV or something. It's absolutely bananas. But the band was on fire, and the music was good. We really enjoyed all of this. Hopefully they do it again. I would absolutely go back. Dead & Company and the Sphere, there might not be a better match anywhere. It's really wild just how truly special the mix of the visuals and the music together are. It's not just the technology here. It's not just impressive. It's truly transformative. So if you get a chance to get out here and see a show, I highly recommend it. Great venue, great audio, good sight lines. So as we kind of wrap up here with some more visuals from the show, I hope that this video was informative to you. We've been to Vegas a number of times, and you can gamble anywhere. Gambling is literally everywhere here, but this time we decided to try to do it without, keep ourselves entertained without the gambling, and I think we did it. These were some good choices. Great cap on the weekend, this concert, and we didn't spend a whole lot of time just sitting in a casino.